Hi there, welcome to Ka Orly TV. I'm Rolgar Alcantara, and here on my channel, I share my passion for cooking with easy step tutorials and delicious recipes. Whether you're just starting out in the kitchen or you're looking for new meal ideas, there's something tasty to try. But that's not all. On Ka Orly TV, I also share products unboxing, kitchen tool reviews, and a bit of something equipment using for my blog. If you enjoy cooking food and a little bit of everything in between, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share, and join me on this exciting journey. Thanks for stopping by. I can't wait to cook with you. See you soon.